This VEVOR Multi-Directional Jewelry Microscope offers a generous zoom range from low to high power, giving gem setters and engravers the flexibility to inspect both overall layouts and the tiniest details without swapping optics. The long, highly adjustable stand moves smoothly in every direction and keeps the scope steady, which is especially helpful when you're working on delicate stones or intricate metalwork. Its integrated ring light uses a dense array of light-emitting diode sources to bathe the work area in bright, even illumination, so inclusions, tool marks, and prong edges stand out clearly. The quick-release joints on the stand make it surprisingly fast to reposition the microscope between jobs, so you spend more time working and less time fighting with hardware. Comfort-focused controls for diopter, zoom, and working distance are easy to fine-tune, allowing you to dial in a sharp, three-dimensional view that reduces eye strain during long sessions at the bench. Overall, the combination of stable mechanics, flexible positioning, and strong uniform lighting makes this microscope a very capable centerpiece for a professional jewelry inlay or repair workstation.